Vinyl window installation in Sugar Land is a top choice for homeowners seeking energy-efficient windows. With a focus on reducing energy costs, these windows offer superior insulation and durability. Our window installation experts in Sugar Land ensure a seamless process, providing custom window solutions tailored to your home's needs, including vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Energy-efficient windows in Sugar Land are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. By minimizing heat transfer, these windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. Our window energy ratings in Sugar Land guarantee that you're getting the best performance for your investment, especially when paired with vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Window frame replacement in Sugar Land is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your home. Over time, frames can warp or rot, compromising the effectiveness of your windows. Our Sugar Land window frame replacement services ensure that your windows remain secure and functional, enhancing both aesthetics and energy efficiency when combined with vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Double-pane windows in Sugar Land offer enhanced insulation and noise reduction. These windows are perfect for busy neighborhoods, providing a quieter indoor environment. Our double-pane windows Sugar Land services include expert installation and a variety of window style options to match your home's design, complementing vinyl windows. Sugar Land beautifully. Window glass installation in Sugar Land is crucial for maintaining the clarity and functionality of your windows. Cracks or chips can lead to further damage and energy loss. Our window glass installation Sugar Land services are prompt and efficient, restoring your windows to their original condition, including vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Custom window solutions in Sugar Land allow homeowners to personalize their window installations. Whether you're looking for unique shapes, sizes, or styles, our team can create the perfect windows for your home. Our custom window solutions Sugar Land services ensure that your windows are as unique as your home, with options such as vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Window seal installation in Sugar Land is vital for preventing drafts and energy loss. Damaged seals can lead to increased energy bills and discomfort. Our window seal installation Sugar Land services ensure that your windows are airtight, providing maximum energy efficiency, especially for vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Home window upgrades in Sugar Land can significantly enhance your home's value and comfort. From energy-efficient windows to modern window-style options, our home window upgrades Sugar Land services offer a wide range of improvements to suit your needs, including high-quality vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Window insulation services in Sugar Land are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency. By adding insulation to your windows, you can reduce heat loss and save on energy costs. Our window insulation services Sugar Land team is dedicated to providing top-notch solutions for your home, particularly when installing vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Window style options in Sugar Land are vast, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect look for their home. From traditional to contemporary designs, our window style options Sugar Land services offer a variety of choices to complement your home's architecture, including stylish vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Window hardware replacement in Sugar Land is necessary for maintaining the functionality of your windows. Over time, hardware can wear out, leading to operational issues. Our window hardware replacement Sugar Land services ensure that your windows operate smoothly and efficiently, enhancing the performance of vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Discover the best vinyl window installation services in Sugar Land, offering top-notch energy-efficient windows and custom window solutions. Our window installation experts in Sugar Land provide comprehensive window design consultation and window measurement services to ensure a perfect fit for your home. With a focus on window energy ratings, our vinyl window replacement in Sugar Land guarantees improved energy efficiency and reduced utility bills with vinyl windows. Sugar Land. Upgrade your home with our window frame replacement and double-pane windows in Sugar Land. Our window glass installation and window seal installation services ensure your windows are in optimal condition, providing excellent window noise reduction and window weatherproofing. Choose from a variety of window-style options and window hardware replacement services to enhance your home's appeal, especially with Vinyl Windows Sugarland. Our window maintenance services in Sugarland include window screen installation and window cleaning services to keep your windows looking pristine. We also offer window tinting services and window safety features to enhance your home's security and privacy. With our window replacement financing options, upgrading your home with Vinyl Windows Sugarland has never been more affordable. For those seeking window insulation services in Sugarland, our home window upgrades provide superior insulation and comfort. Our window warranty services offer peace of mind, ensuring your investment is protected. Trust our window installation experts in Sugarland to deliver exceptional results and unmatched satisfaction with Vinyl Windows Sugarland. Explore the benefits of window replacement cost savings with our energy-efficient windows in Sugarland. Our window noise reduction and window weatherproofing solutions create a more comfortable living environment. With our window design consultation and window measurement services, you can achieve the perfect look and functionality for your home, particularly with Vinyl Windows Sugarland. Choose our window installation experts in Sugarland for reliable and professional service. Our custom window solutions and window replacement financing options make it easy to enhance your home's value and efficiency. Experience the difference with our vinyl window replacement and energy-efficient windows in Sugarland today, and enjoy the long-lasting benefits of Vinyl Windows Sugarland.